Imagine capturing the world not as it is, but as it feels. A place where color dance, light whispers, and shapes melt into emotions. This is the magic of Impressionist photography, a style that breaks free from the sharp, defined lines of reality to explore the depth of imagination and mood. Hi, I'm Eva Polak, and today we are diving into the world of Impressionist photography. In this video, we will explore the core elements that make an Impressionist photograph effective, from mastering light and color to using movement and composition in unexpected ways. By the end, you will have a deeper understanding of how to create your own stunning Impressionist images that not only capture the eye, but also the heart. So let's start this creative journey and unlock the secrets to making your photographs feel like works of art. Impressionist photography is about capturing a scene's essence, mood, and emotion rather than focusing on sharp details. To create an effective Impressionist photograph, several core elements must be mastered. Let's dive into these key components. One of the defining characteristics of Impressionist photography is the use of movement and blur to create a sense of fluidity and motion. Unlike traditional photography, where sharpness is often the goal, Impressionist photography embraces the beauty of imperfection. By intentionally blurring the subject or background, you can evoke a sense of dynamism and energy. For instance, capturing the soft blur of waves crashing against the shore, or the gentle sway of trees in the wind can create a dreamy, painterly effect. Moving the camera while taking a shot can create abstract patterns and streaks of light and color reminiscent of brush strokes in a painting. Whether it's a slight tilt or sweeping motion, ICM allows you to transform ordinary scenes into something truly extraordinary. When using movement and blur, think about the direction and intensity of your motion. Subtle movements can create a soft, ethereal look, while more pronounced motion can result in bold, striking images. Light and color are the heart and soul of Impressionist photography. The way you capture light and utilize color can dramatically influence the mood and tone of your images. Early morning or late afternoon light, it's perfect for creating soft, gentle glow that is characteristic of Impressionist photographs. Overcast days are also ideal, as the diffuse light helps to minimize harsh shadows and brings out the subtleties in your colors. Impressionist photography often features rich, vibrant hues or soft pastel tones that evoke a certain feelings or atmosphere. The choice of color palette can significantly impact the emotional response of the viewer. For example, warm tones like oranges and yellows can create a sense of warmth and comfort, while cooler blues and greens may evoke tranquility and calm. Experiment with color grading in post-processing to enhance or alert the mood of your photograph. Subtle shift in hue and saturation can make a significant difference in achieving that impressionistic feel. In Impressionist photography, composition plays a crucial role in conveying the intended mood or story. Unlike traditional photography, where rules like the rule of thirds dominate, Impressionist photography often breaks free from these constraints. Don't be afraid to compose your shots in unconventional way. Off-center subject, diagonal lines, and asymmetrical compositions can add a sense of spontaneity and freedom to your images. Instead of emphasizing sharpness and clarity, think about how the arrangement of elements within the frame contributes to the overall feeling of the image. The interplay between light, shadow, and color should guide the viewer's eye and evoke an emotional response. Use leading lines, patterns, and textures to draw the viewer's attention to specific areas of the image, or to create a sense of movement and flow within the composition. The subject matter in Impressionist photography is often chosen for the ability to convey a particular emotion or atmosphere. While the genre is known for its abstract nature, the choice of the subject still plays a pivotal role. Impressionist photographers frequently turn to nature for inspiration. Landscape, flowers, trees, and water are popular subjects because they naturally lend themselves to the soft, flowing qualities of Impressionist photography. Cityscapes and urban environments can also be transformed through an Impressionist lens. The hustle and bustle of city life, captured with blur and light, can create a sense of movement and energy. Sometimes the subject may not be immediately recognizable, and that's okay. Abstract forms and patterns created through motion or selective focus can lead to a more interpretive and personal connection with the viewer. When selecting your subject, think about the emotion you want to convey. Choose scenes that naturally evoke a feeling or mood, and then use the techniques discussed to enhance that emotional impact. Mastering these core elements, movement and blur, light and color, composition and subject matter, will allow you to create Impressionist photographs that are not only visually stunning, but also deeply evocative. Each element works together to transform ordinary scenes into extraordinary works of art, capturing the world not just as it is, but as it feels. Thank you for joining me today. And remember, photography, it's not just about what you see through the lens. It's about what you feel and share through your images. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more photography tips. Until next time, keep capturing emotions and memories through your lens. Take care and see you soon.